Okay folks, I came out to do a service call for a lady and her compressor was kicking out. We added a hard start kit, but as I was noticing while I was doing it, I want you to look at all the dirt and dust on this. So what we're going to do, we tuck the cage off the top of the condenser, and I'm going to rinse the coil off because this coil will cause the compressor to pull high amps. So we're just going to talk about cleaning the coil here. I just want you to see the dirt that'll come off this thing. You always want to kind of wash in the downward position so the stuff will just roll off. You notice already, look how clean this is already getting right here. I'm going to go inside. Okay, now I'm going to come inside here and watch this. I'm just going to come inside and wash. Now, we took 3 screws out of the cage here that holds the fan motor. And we're just going to rinse through this thing so the dirt will come out. The best way to really do it would be to put a coil cleaner on here and let it boil itself out. But what we're doing now is going to help quite a bit. I want you just to look at the dirt running out of here. See all the weeds coming out of here? See the dirt, how nasty it is? When you guys go out and do your maintenance, it's just really important to take your water hose and rinse this stuff out. Because you don't realize that this thing is running, it's constantly sucking in debris, grass, particles. Over the years, it gets really nasty. Of course, I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to grab all the debris at the bottom. This is stuff that's just fallen in over the years. Okay. Okay. So folks, you get the gist of it. If you see a dirty coil, just rinse it off for the customer. Charge them an extra 20 bucks or whatever it is you got to do. That is very important. This customer here will be pleased at the lower amp draw that she's going to get. She won't know anything about it, but she'll see a savings on her electric bill. If you have any questions, just give us a call at Jones Air Conditioning, 239-596-5855. Go to jonesairconditioning.com. Any questions about this, just give me a call. Or please share, please subscribe, and please comment. Thank you.